Hello you guys and welcome. This is the second month that I'm going to be doing this Annie's Kit Club. I got the Farmhouse edition. If you guys aren't familiar with what it is, I will put a link in the description box. This video is not sponsored. My friend actually told me about this subscription box and I thought it was the coolest idea ever. They have a ton of different styles. I went for the Farmhouse just because that is kind of the decor that I like to go with, but they have a ton of other things that you could get, and you get a box every month. They're 20 or 25? I think they're $20. Shipping's like $6. If you sign up, you can get $10 or get your first box for half off. So it's like $10 and then shipping. So definitely don't think it's a bad deal. So what it is, it's basically a kit and it has everything you will need in it to make a craft. You may need a couple random items like a paper plate or something, but like the last one I did last month, it came with paints, it came with a brush, it came with literally everything you need. So it's such a cool idea. And for me, I sometimes have a hard time finding inspiration for my videos with my DIYs. So this is so cool because they just send it right to you and everything's in the box and I just follow directions. So we are gonna get to unboxing it and then we will put it together and see what it is. I kind of have an idea what it is because my friend sent me a little spoiler picture and I'm very excited. Yeah, so this one came out to $27.66. It was $5.95 for shipping and then tax, but the actual box itself is $19.99, and this is a Christmas one. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're gonna be making this cute little Christmas countdown calendar. This is so cute. My kids are gonna love this. You paint it? Oh yes, there's paint in there. All right, so we're gonna open it up and just see what all it comes with. And I mean, this is a nice piece of wood. Wood is not cheap these days. So, oh, that's gonna be so cute. I already know exactly where I'm gonna put it. I'm so excited. So it's just like a nice piece of wood. And then it's got all these little, what are you? Oh, I think they're individual little stickers and then the Christmas countdown. And this is perfect, you guys, if you don't have a Cricut. They already pretty much cut it out for you. It's just like a sticker. It's something that you could make on a Cricut. This is so cool. Okay, and then it's got your paint and these little hooks here. Oh, and another brush. Seriously? This is so cool. Came with another brush and then these little, oh, that's what you make. Oh, so cute. You make the little wreath with this. That is so adorable. If you don't have a lot of time and you don't feel like you're very crafty, these are foolproof, you guys. These are so quick and easy. So I'm so excited. Here is everything that you're gonna need. And then here is your directions. So it's completely foolproof. Tells you exactly what to do. So on this one, it does say, it tells you what comes in the kit. And then it does say you'll also need waxed paper, paper towel, paper plate, bowl of water. So just random stuff that you probably already have at home. Right, we are going to get to making this. I'm excited. All right, so I've got all of my other little items that I'm gonna need. And I'm actually just gonna use, this is the little envelope that it came in. I'm actually just gonna use this to paint. And I've got my little napkin, I've got a paper plate, my bowl of water, my glue gun. Okay, I've got some parchment paper. Okay, now I think I am set. So what does it say? Place board on work surface and paint white. Let dry, paint a second coat if needed. So now you could probably use a different brush. This brush is pretty tiny, but I'm gonna use it just because I wanna use everything that came in the kit. Now, I think both of these sides are pretty much the same. And I think I'm gonna paint the whole entire thing white. I'm gonna do the front and the back just in case. And they give you more than enough paint, so. All right, let's get to painting. All right, you guys, I appreciate this brush. It's a very nice brush, but I don't have the patience, so I'm gonna go get a bigger one. Okay, so while that is drying, it says to next cut apart all the number rub-ons. Obviously, keep double-digit numbers together. So let's take these out. Okay, so everything is dry, and now it is saying to do the numbers. So this is gonna take some time, I have a feeling. So let's see here. It does say to, starting from the bottom, lightly mark with a pencil 1.5 inches from bottom and right edges. And then it says to rub craft stick over each rub-on, gently lifting the corner to make sure it is adhered. Okay, there we go. 24 more to go. Make sure the rows are 2 inches apart from tops of each number. Oh, continue adding them so that they're 1 3/4 inches apart from center to center. Well, it's definitely not perfect, but I think I can take like a little marker or something and touch that up when I'm finished. I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but for these, this is so much easier. So what I'm doing is taking the number, and I'm not even messing with like these. I'm just gonna measure from 2. No, here, I'm gonna go in the center of this number from 2 and then up to, so that's 2 inches. So they said to do, make sure this is 2 inches here. And then that way you just put this down in the center and you don't even need to worry about anything else. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Then obviously just kind of I'm kind of just eyeing it and making sure that it's even with that side, but that worked out so much easier. So the numbers are on, and I think they're fairly straight. I think they're pretty straight for the most part. I do see a couple spots that I want to touch up, like the pencil wouldn't erase, so I just want to go in and touch those up really quick. Okay, now it says to center and adhere the Christmas countdown rub-on to the top. Okay, so all the hooks are on, and now it says wrap the berry vine until it is about 2 inches in diameter, weaving the ends around the vine to create a wreath. If the wreath isn't staying together, well, you can place a few drops of hot glue on the back. You just count it down, whatever the days are. Oh, that is so cute. I love this. My kids are gonna get such a kick out of doing this. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you all in my next video. Bye.